Here's how to add speaker notes in Google Slides. To show the Speaker Notes panel in Google Slides, click View in the top menu. Then select Show Speaker Notes. The Notes panel will appear at the bottom of your screen. To add notes to a slide, click in the Speaker Notes area at the bottom of your screen. Type your script for that specific slide. Repeat this for each slide as each one has its own notes, and you'll see your notes appear below the slide. To view speaker notes while presenting, click the drop-down arrow next to Slideshow and select Presenter View. This will open a new window that displays your notes alongside the slide preview. Now you can easily reference your notes as you present, and your slides will remain visible to your audience. Generate slides with AI in 30 seconds. Try Slidee at slidee.ai.